Open Microsoft Windows 10. Download web page in Google Chrome. If you see Windows 10 May 2019 update on web page, don't worry. Click the three dots at the top right hand side of your Chrome browser and then select More Tools, Developer Tools. Click the menu icon, that is three dots again, and then select More Tools, Network Conditions to enable it. Under the User Agent section, uncheck Select Automatically. Click the drop-down menu and select one, using a non-Windows operating system. So we'll select Safari Mac. Keep the Developer Tools pane open and refresh the download page. This time, when it loads, scroll down, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select the edition of the Windows 10 ISO you want to download. Select an edition, and then click Confirm. Select your preferred language and then click Confirm. Finally, click either the 32 or 64-bit to start the download. Download links are valid for 24 hours from the time of creation. You should have the ISO file saved in your download folder. Once the download is complete, you will have the ISO file on your computer's hard drive. Now let me move this ISO file from here to desktop. The ISO image is around 5 GB. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for interesting tech videos. Please hit the bell icon for notification of my new videos. Also hit the like button and share this video with your friends and comment. It would be great to know your opinions about my videos. You can also make requests for new tutorials. See you soon.